Hi everyone, my name is Juan Martinez and this is my CSE341 Week 1 project, Contacts Part 1. In this video, I'll be walking through my API, its deployment, security setup, and overall architecture. My application includes two main GET endpoints. The first one retrieves all contacts from my MongoDB database, and the second one retrieves a single contact by its unique ID. You can see here I have the first function get all and the second one get single. You can see here on my browser locally I'm retrieving one record, and I can also retrieve all the records. My project is fully deployed by using render. Render automatically builds the project from my GitHub repository, installs dependencies, and runs the server using my environment variables. Here you can see render, and I'm gonna run it from render. You can see all my records, and I can also retrieve just one record. All sensitive information like my MongoDB connection string is stored securely in a EMB file right here, and also I'm using this git ignore, so it will never upload to GitHub. The Node modules folder is also excluded to keep the repository clean and safe. This project follows the MVC or model view controller structure. My routes controllers, and database logic are separated into their own folders. You can see here on my tree, folder tree. The server.js file ties everything together by connecting the routes to the controller functions. For example, data.data.js handles the MongoDB connection. The controller's contacts defines logic for each endpoint, and the route contact maps the routes to those controller functions, and everything starts from server.js. So that's a quick overview of my RESTful API project. A clean MVC architecture, secure environment setup, and deployment to render with live data from MongoDB. Thanks for watching.